Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming orientation. Chain plate on the door, receiver on the frame. Use a pencil and measuring tape to set the receiver about 1/2 to 1 inch from the jamb so the chain reaches without strain. Once marked, clamp or hold the chain plate in position and mark its screw holes. Make sure the chain lies flat and the plate won't hit weather stripping. This prevents binding. Drill pilot holes with a 3/16 or 1/4 bit to keep screws straight and avoid splitting wood. Now you fasten the chain plate to the door using the pilot holes. Drive screws until snug. Do not sink them past the countersink because overdriving weakens holding power. Next, align the receiver on the frame using your earlier marks and start the top and bottom screws by hand to ensure it sits square. Tighten evenly so the receiver faces the incoming chain without twisting. Once done, slide the chain into the receiver to verify smooth movement and correct catch. Make small adjustments before final. Finish by operating the door with the chain engaged. Open slowly to confirm the chain stops the door at the intended distance and that the plates remain flush. If the chain binds or won't engage, loosen screws slightly and realign both plates so the chain enters straight, then red-tighten evenly. If screws pull out of a soft frame, replace with longer screws into solid wood or add a small reinforcement plate behind the receiver. Remember, secure screw purchase prevents failure. Recheck after a day of use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.